Welcome back, everybody. It was not just heavy rain that fell in parts of the state last night. We had some snow up on McDonald Pass. You can still see some of the snow in the trees here. Current temperature around 33 degrees and very messy on this Friday evening up on Rogers Pass there. Mix of rain and snow, a little slushy accumulation up top of about a couple of inches. In Great Falls right now, still very wet and chilly, 40 degrees, north wind at 14 miles per hour, and it feels like it is literally freezing outside. It's not freezing though because it's raining, and in the capital, not a very pleasant spring day. 45 degrees, had that very heavy rain throughout most of the night, and it did ease up a little bit during the day here. We needed to completely shut off though. There's the cool air from Lewistown through the Great Falls area, down through the capital, up through Cup Bank. Kalispell, a little warmer, a little more sunshine up there, and a little relatively warmer up in the northeast part of the state where it's been drier. Here's the radar, and it's not as bad as it was last night. The worst of the water falling from the sky, I believe, is behind us. However, now all that water will continue to drain down. We're still going to be looking at the flooding. There you can see a little of the showery weather moving through Cascade County. However, the heavy rain that we saw last night with the area of low pressure that came through, that has sunk down to the south into Idaho, Utah, and Wyoming. And some of this rain will curl back up here into the state tonight and tomorrow, and potentially a couple of showers even on Sunday for Mother's Day. But now, Lewis and Clark County, the entire county is under an aerial flood warning here. So not just for a couple of the individual rivers here, all the way out the Blackfoot, the Little Blackfoot, of course, the Clark Fork, the Bitterroot River, looking at a flood warning. A little closer look again at the Helena area, Prickly Pear Creek. We've got 7 Mile Creek, 10 Mile Creek. All the waterways are flooding here. Stay away from, especially around the Rossiter School area, because you've got water crossing roads and a bunch of roads closed. Around the Lincoln area, maybe not the smartest to be adventuring through this area here because of water over roads, and a lot of those dirt roads are washed away. Here, this is new. The Smith River, a lot of rain into Marr County last night and earlier this morning. The Smith River heading to where it meets up with the Missouri under a flood warning. Got a feel for the people that are floating the Smith here. And then from Augusta, a flood warning for the Sun River continues. Teton River will likely go up here as we saw just a lot of rain. And then, of course, from Cup Bank through Great Falls out through Lewistown for a very broad area here in the state. We're under a flood watch. Winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for the Crazies, the Beartooths, and the Absarokas. So tonight, a couple of showers. Clouds are going to hold on. Here comes a little more of that rain coming through. It may make its way up to Lewistown, around the capital, to Great Falls. Not like what we saw last night. Not that heavy, but we don't need any more precipitation. A little sunshine, too, tomorrow afternoon across the northern part of the state. And then getting into Mother's Day on Sunday, yeah, notice a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder around the capital. You want sunshine for Mom, take her a little further north around Great Falls, or even up along the Highline, or over to around Flathead Lake might be a good place for Sunday and sun. So there's the precipitation that we will see here all the way into Mother's Day, and another few tenths of an inch on top of our already waterlogged ground. And there you can see the snow a little bit out in the Little Belts, and then up there just north of Lincoln, up around Copper Creek. But check that out, down around the Beartooth, maybe as much as 20 inches of snow here over the next couple of days. Here's the forecast for tonight. A cool night, some showers, maybe a few flurries mixed in the higher elevations, not really sticking, not really that heavy of a rain, just a chilly, raw night here. And then heading into tomorrow for Saturday, northern Montana not looking that bad. More sun the farther north you go here. Northeast Montana, a little sun, but you head down to Fort Peck or Jordan, getting into some clouds. A few showers around Lewistown through Nyhart over to around the capital, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Here is the 7-day forecast. So not really clearing out tomorrow. 55 degrees, some showers around. It's not an all-day rain event, but all day it's kind of just wet and soggy from the rain. Mother's Day, still a couple of storms around, so a few showers. There will be some sun on Sunday, and then we hit pause. We get a little drier air coming in Monday and Tuesday before more moisture coming back Thursday and Friday with maybe another strong storm here. This is May, and it rains a lot here in the month of May across Montana.
Feels a lot like March today. Thank you, sir.